afternoon, guys. Welcome to the last day of 2023. Linggo ngayon, and it's what's the time, Bob? 2? Huh? 2:20. Yeah, very sunny. We're taking these two out for a scoot. Rubbish muna natin itong ating basket. Okay, this way. Oh my God, napakainit. Go, Daddy. Daddy. May bit-bit akong plastic bags. We are going to Coles. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, ay mag-grocery shopping kami ngayon. Yung mga kailangan talaga namin. Kasi bukas, January 1. Careful, ate, please. Ayokong gumastos kasi nasa tradisyon natin yan, diba? Na dapat pag New Year ay hindi ka magpapalabas ng pera para buong taon ay may pera ka. So, it's interesting, guys, because it's been 1 year now since we went to the Philippines. Slowly, anak. So, last year, ay bumiyahe kami papuntang Sydney kasi doon kami start sa journey namin papuntang Pinas. It was the most stressful time sa amin. A very expensive time din para sa amin, guys. Oh! Your hat! Oh! Make sure it's tight enough. Kasi kung napanood nyo yung video na yun, my God, yung na-cancel yung flight and we had to yeah,
It's so fun.
so funny. And we had to book another plane tickets with Philippine Airlines. It costed us thousands of dollars. So, hindi maganda yung start ng year namin last year dahil dito, guys. Sobrang laking pera yung lumabas. First day pa lang ng taon. So, this year, I am hoping na maiba yung start ng taon natin. Paris, stop, anak!
A few moments later.
Napaka-busy ng grocery store today, guys. Yeah. Can you put that there? Thank you. Anna, she wants to follow Daddy. Wow.
Done. No shopping.
Okay, here, this way, anak. Lini.
Will you stay? Mommy. Okay.
Water break. Ayun ang mga anak pamili namin. Lakad na naman pa uwi. Oh, you have to close it. Oh.
Thank you. Okay,
Close
let's
it.
go.
Close it, Daddy, please.
Mama.
Okay, keep going.
Yes, Mama.
Ate.
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, good girl. Listening to Mama. Okay, good job. Come on, follow Daddy.
Oh, now there's a car.
Come on, sweetheart. Maanta dali, nak. Bahay na kami, guys. It's now 4 o'clock. And nailagay na pala ni Daddy lahat ng mga napamili namin, guys. What is it, anak? Nag-CR kasi ako pagka uwi namin ba. Hindi ko na naipagkita yung ano yung pinamili natin. Bobby? So, itatry ni Daddy Mike yung kanyang binili na ano to whatever it is, ay, hindi ko pa pala yung iba. So, bumili kami ng toilet paper towel.
What did you buy? Paper towel.
Paper towel. Siya lang yun.
Paper towel. Paper towel.
Tinatawaran ako ni Daddy Mike guys kasi lumalabas daw yung yung Filipino accent ko kapag nagbablog ako. Kasi pag nag-uusap kami, yung accent ko, hindi ko naman siya sinasadya. Nagiging Australian talaga yung accent. Pero pag ganito napapakita ako sa inyo, ewan ko. Tinatawaran niya ako sa paper towel. Kasi dito, pag sasabi ko sa niya, can you please get paper towel, Daddy? Like, towel. Paper towel?
Don't act like you don't know.
Alam nga naman, sabihin ko sa inyo, oh, this is paper towel. Diba sabihin niyo, ano ba paper towel? Diba na?
Towel.
Paper towel. So, ito yung binili ko na pancake mix kasi last time, mahal siya guys. Merong mga tag 250. Ito siya $4 each. But, last time I tried it, sobrang maganda siya. Like, basta maganda yung kanyang quality ba, masarap. So, yan yung binili ko. So, pagkita ko sa inyo, ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike sa Coles the other day. Kasama yung kanyang, what was that, barbecue something? The other one that you bought. The grill, yeah. So, this one, see? Sobrang dami mong magawa dito, guys. See, boil, stir fry, hot pot, slow cook, fry, grill, steam, stewed meat. So, gustong gawin ni Daddy Mike ngayon ay slow cook. So, I think meron siyang lamb shank. Then, yung meron siyang patatas. Lini, girl! So, this is what he's doing now. What's that? Onion, garlic, parsley, and then the lamb shank. Celery. Yes, celery. Tapos, ano to? Pinot Noir. What's that? Pinot Noir.
Pinot Noir.
Pinot Noir. And then, virgin olive oil. At ito yung aming lamb shanks. Oh, diba? Daming ano na, diba? Chicken stock. Garlic. This is books for the kids. Notebook. Careful with that one, anak. So, yeah. Magluluto tayo.
Fun stuff? Dinner? Huh? Yes. Dinner? Beach? Treat. That's what we're gonna be doing. Yes.
You agree, Nini?
Yes, Mommy.
Yes, good girl.
Look at my list and look at my
Are we
list.
going to watch the fireworks tonight? Are you excited?
At the alley.
Yeah.
Of course I'm excited.
We're going to catch the ferry and then watch the fireworks.
My.
The big firework.
Mommy, but that's not what we're actually doing. I'll show you.
Yeah.
No,
Mermaid.
We're going to fireworks and then the ferry. Blue.
No, we have to go ferry first and then fireworks. How can you get to the fireworks if you don't catch the ferry?
We'll just watch them while we're standing. We can stand and watch them. What's that?
Which one?
We'll just stand in front of it.
Here.
We'll just stand in front of it and we watch. Shoes.
I'll put the shoes on.
No.
Ate, help.
No. What pencil should I do? What's my favorite color?
Nearly 8 o'clock ng gabi, guys. Alis kami kasi manonood kami ng fireworks. So, apparently, may fireworks daw 8:30, tapos meron sa midnight. So, hindi na kami makakapagintay ng midnight. We'll do the 8:31. And, ngayon lang kami alis kasi si mami niyo ay sobrang, ewan ko siguro sa init. Or, hindi naman, okay naman ako. Okay naman yung pagkaramdam ko. Pero, nakatulog si mami niyo. At hindi ako ginising yung Daddy Mike. Sabi, hayaan lang daw ako matulog. So, konti lang naman yung tinulog ko, guys. And, ngayon, pagkagising ko, binihisan ko yung mga bata. And ako, sabi ni Daddy Mike, how about you? Kasi akala niya, kasi nasanay siya na matagal ako matapos pag nagre-ready ako. Diba? Alam niyo, yung ginawa ko, ang aking buhok. Hindi ko na sinapay, ginanyan ko na. Tapos, nasuot ako ng damit na to. And I'm good to go. Tignan nyo, hindi na ako ang aking malaking bugas-bugas ayan dyan. So, naglagay ako ng kilay konti para naman, So, wala nang eyeliner, nothing. Ayan, ganyan na guys. Manonood lang naman ng, na, tawag dito? Fireworks. So, ito yung sinuot ko guys. Alam nyo ba, nabili ko to siya sa op shop / okay dito sa Australia. And, pinalitan ko lang ng para siyang short na leggings sa ilalim. Hindi makita yung aking lubot. And then, I've got my Hermes Oasis sandals. And then, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, hindi ko na kailangan ready. Ito lang yung aking damit. Palitin ko ng bag na to. I'm good to go. Alis na kami kagad. Diyos ko, 3 minutes tapos si mami niyo. Okay guys, let us go. Let us go. He's the Lini girl. Let us go. Let us go. What are you doing? Drawing. Good girl. Which shoes are you wearing? The butterfly? The butterfly? Okay, let's go find the butterfly. Come on. Because we're catching the ferry. Hopefully when we get there, there's ferry straight away. Come on. Oh, ito pala yung slow cooking na ginagawa ni Daddy Mike. Ayan. So, it still has 5 hours and 42 minutes left. Takbo pa more, ate. Come on, I think. Where is Lini? Nandito na kami sa ferry. Yeah, ate upstairs. Pupunta sa taas si ate tsaka si Daddy Mike. What is it? Yeah, we have to wait here, okay? And like all this, that's a 1 pound.
Oh, wow.
That's all the phones through, yeah.
Yeah, that's where I dropped the top.
Yeah. You dropped us off here, we have to walk all the way over there. It actually takes 15 minutes to walk. Yeah. It looks quick, but it's usually 15 minutes. Yeah, yeah.
There you go.
Oh my god. Dito na kami sa South Bank, guys. Tingnan niyo how many people there are. Wow.
This is where the fireworks are.
Bobby missed the fireworks anyway.
Oh, yeah, only missed one firework.
They'll have the next one. Oh my god, have a look.
When's the next one starting?
12. The biggest one.
Honey, have a look how many people.
Yeah, that's 1,000.
Yeah. More than that.
1,023, 1,023, 1,023, 1,023, 1,023,
Oh my goodness.
1,023, 65, 1,023, 65, 1,023, 65, 1,028 people.
We're here. Yes, sa malinis. Ang aming baby sa little bear is sleeping. Sleeping ang aming baby sa ang daming tao.
That's a million. No, I want.
Yes, so many people.
Ready? Yeah, go.
Ordering drinks. Share with ate? Share with Lini ate? It's muffin.
I love this stuff. It's tasty.
Tasty. Mama house?
Tasty and cold. Wow.
Hang on.
It's not Leonie's, it's Daddy's.
Muffin. Ate, hold mama nak. Yeah, grabe. Daming tao.
ไม่มีเพื่อนที่บาร์
Tom Berry.
Tignan niyo si Ate Paris. Hala. Kahit di maligo ba? Lalaro lang sila sa buhangin. Nandito na kami ngayon sa ferry. Pauwi na kami. And anong oras na ba ngayon? So, short story guys, na-miss namin yung 8:30 na fireworks kanina. Kasi pagkadating namin sa Bulimba Ferry Station ay yung mga dumating na mga ferry ay hindi papuntang South Bank. So, yung isa na dumating is 8:30 na. So, yung nakita na lang namin is yung tip na lang ng fireworks. So, yung mga kids hindi talaga nila nakita. So, we decided na dumiretso na lang ng South Bank. And nakita nyo kanina sobrang daming tao. We had some drinks. Naglaro yung mga kids kunti doon sa buhangin na loob. Kasi sabi ko, maybe we can wait until midnight na fireworks. But, yung linya guys ng mga tao na sasakay ng ferry ay ridiculous. So, napag-isipan namin ni Daddy Mike na uwi na lang tayo. And kasi ito siya, sleepy na lang ito siya. And then later on, kapag natulog to siya, and then we had to, linya-linya. Ay, naku, ang hirap guys. Ay, po, careful. So, ayan. Hindi na lang pumayag ang ating parents. Nauwi na kami. Ayan, oh.
Stop.
Yes, baby!
Stop.
It's stuck! So, ang daming taong mga natapayo o may video pa more. Excuse me. Oh! Stop it to your leg! Hang on. There you go. You okay? Oopsie!
Coming up to Riverside disembarking at the front.
Tingnan niyo yung ginagawa namin guys.
Move Paris.
Naglalaro kami.
Paris is one. She's got 5.
And look at the time.
I know you beat me.
It's-
I got 5.
Anak, 2 minutes till New Year. Ang ating Ate Paris ay super awake pa rin. Playing with Mommy and Daddy. And si Baby Celine ay tulog na guys. So, nakatulog siya kanina doon pa. So, ayan. Nilagay ko siya sa bed. Ngayon, nagluluto ako ng rice. Naaamoy ko na. Sarap-sarap. Ayan. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, bakit ka nagluluto? Meron naman akong dyan. Alam niyo yung nasa packet na initin mo na lang? Sabi ko, hindi. Kasi diba tradisyon din yun sa atin na maganda talaga kapag may bigas or may kanin yung kaldero, ganyan. Tapos, itong niluto ni Daddy Mike na still got 1 hour and 42 minutes left.
No, it's finished.
Pero pwede na ito siyang kainin. Tingnan niyo. Lamb shanks. Yummy. Ay, let's count down. Let's count down. Oh, Diyos ko, Lord.
1, 2. It's
See, it's now 11:59. Wala kami ano guys, not, we don't have like the woo, like the, what do you call it?
Whistle?
Yeah, something like that.
It's like
Yeah.
it pops out.
Yeah, come here. Oh, that's the one. Come here. You look at the time. You tell me when it's 12, okay?
Robert's already back.
You said Happy New Year. And it's 12.
It's 2024.
Where's my kisses, Paris?
Oh, Happy New Year, honey. It's another year.
It's 2024 now.
It's the first page of year 2024. Love you so much. Yay!
Are you a winner? You won 4 games straight in 2024 already.
Good job.
Almost. Nearly. Yep.